Hello everybody, I am at the laundromat. I'm just doing a small load. I was out in this area and I said, let me take a bag because they have a laundromat right across the street. So I will be doing light clothes, a very small load. And I'm using Roma laundry detergent. I have it in a different container, but it's Roma powder, okay? Those are some nice machines. I wish we had those machines in my building. You saw how well they look, like they were cleaning well. I was able to put as much soap as I wanted to in the machine. Oh, y'all, there's a glare here. I was able to put as much soap as I wanted to. So there's nobody else in here. And they got 5 of the old-fashioned top loaders. They work well too. And then they have, I can't see how many they have for the new machines. Now the new machines are $350. Yeah, $350. And they're kind of small. Here months ago, the machines were bigger and they cost less. Now the old-fashioned wash machines are $250. And you can fit a whole lot more in those machines. You fit a whole lot more. So they are under new management, so that's one of the reasons why they got all new machines and why they went up on the prices. But I like this laundromat. It's been here since the late 80s, maybe 88. It probably was here before that, but that's when I first started coming here, a long time ago. And so I like washing clothes, especially when you can wash in peace and there's not too many people around and stuff like that. So yeah, so I put some Roma in that container and it suds up really, really well. And the machines we have, we can't use that much soap. I think that's silly because I understand that the owners have to make money, but I don't feel that they clean that well, you know. So what I started to do is go to the laundry room with maybe a small load, and I probably will do 2 small loads a week. That helps me because I can't deal with the steps. So y'all, I'll be back when my clothes are done, okay? Bye. I should have let these drip dry at home, but I'm gonna. They smell pretty good. They smell good, and these are usually like these are my house dresses. Some undergarments. The dryers are 25 cents for 5 minutes. That's pretty good. Put 50 cents in there. I love how these clothes came out. They're so clean. This Roma has been working better than ever. I noticed that a lot of the detergents went up, so I'm so glad I have my stash. And like I said, these are house dresses, towels and bath cloths and stuff, usually stuff I wear around the house when I don't go anywhere. So I will be back to this wonderful laundromat. I love it. And look how clean my clothes are.